here. Today we're opening LOL Under Wrap surprise. And my sister's here.
Don't forget to subscribe to Tayama TV and leave a like.
Now we're gonna open our LOL Under Wrap surprise.
Let's start.
I found a magnifying glass in the LOL Under Wrap surprise.
Let's see what it does.
Hey, I found the same thing. That's the color proof. I found
Okay, time to open the next one.
Wait, is there we got the golden one.
Check out these secret messages. We'll translate them for you here. Figure out what it is.
Wait, I found it. Look what I found. It doesn't say this.
I found something. More code for you to do.
Oh.
Okay. Now we have this secret thing
Oh, I know what to do.
that has a lock.
Let's try this.
So we're going to decode it for you in a minute. We'll be right back. Okay, so we just unlocked it. We have these secret codes here, and we decoded this thing. So now let's look what's inside.
Wait, what did you decode?
We decoded these secret locks on here. They all have a special combination, and we figured them all out. So let's get started. Let's get them all out first. This one out.
Let's get the things out before we get the doll out.
Right. What is this?
Wait.
Oh, that
that's
opens
the
the doll. This opens a compartment at the bottom. Get that.
What about the
And-
top? Oh, that doesn't open.
I guess that doesn't open. Let's open these surprises first, then we'll get the doll out.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Open this one. Wow, check out this golden cup. Check out the secret surprise.
I found the dress.
I found some sandals.
I found a dress.
Now time for Okay, so here are the items we have collected. We have this little cute skirt,
We have this crown.
and we have this cool dress,
We have these golden sandals
and this cool cup.
and this dress.
I said that.
Skirt
This bracelet also came too.
and this top for old and Freddy. And
And this is what she looks like with all her clothes on.
now then, speed it up. Oh wait.
Pretty nice, right?
Now let's see what she looks like in the container.
Here's her old mummy clothes. A bit ripped, but they look fine.
And this is what she looks like in the container. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching Tayama TV. Subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Click the notification bell and like. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.